Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, because there's a lot of eyeballs on this one. There we go. I'm getting my words twisted. So let's focus on first, like I said, areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance, or like I said earlier, we'll just talk about eyeballs. So anyways, first level of support that a lot of eyeballs will be watching is $2.65. That is the bottom portion here of this area of support, and that would be the ideal level. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but if the price can continue to do what it's been doing and stay up above 265, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits at $2.50. So 265, 250, those two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view in terms of, Clay, how do I just gauge the overall strength of the current price movement? As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are at full strength, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably the price could stay above 265. That would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. You can see the sellers have made themselves known right up there at the $2.78 mark on 3 different occasions today. The bulls try to push up through there, but couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. But all in all, very nice start to the week. And now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.